Today, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a file in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to duplicate a spreadsheet for backup purposes, create a template, or work on a separate version without affecting the original document. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have access to the spreadsheet you want to copy. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet you want to create a copy of. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will load the file and display all its contents on your screen. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, including File, Edit, View, and more. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various file management options. This menu contains all the tools you need for creating copies, downloading, and sharing your spreadsheet from the File drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Make a Copy and click on it. This action will open a dialog box with several customization options for your copied file. This is where you can control exactly how your copy will be created and where it will be stored. In the dialog box that appears, you'll first see a field where you can input a name for your copied file. It's a good idea to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. You can also click on the folder dropdown to choose where you want to save the copied file. This helps keep your Google Drive organized. Below the naming options, you'll notice several checkboxes. You can check the box for share it with the same people if you want your copy to have the same sharing permissions as the original. There's also an option to copy comments if you want to preserve any feedback or notes from collaborators. Additionally, you can select Include Resolved Comments if those are relevant to your work. Once you've configured all your preferences and you're satisfied with the settings, click the Make a Copy button at the bottom of the dialog box. Google Sheets will then process your request and create the duplicate file. The copied spreadsheet will open automatically in a new tab, and you'll also find it saved in the location you specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a copy of your Google Sheets file with all your chosen settings applied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.